Mala dur, Tichang, Yamal, Chudier, Well, Mal, Th, Deed, Angel, Moj, Chol, Tang, Nyamoj, Goy, Nyagwa, Nyawij, Wrath, Nyadid, Amanaji Law Quarter Cocaine. And Bayatim Kabayatim go Godmatol, Kakui coronavirus, I told ala coronavirus, a jen ngankos. Ala Bana Bible, Shukwen, Jeremiah, Sugar, Jendog with the dog, Beth, Isaiah, Sugar, Jarrow, Bakal, Beth Jarrow. Chalara Bianaka, Bia, Delakun, Kagaga, Thick Nidulu. Tower, Kagwamatod, a manamishi, nine the Thuk. Ala Maquala Gua. Jokana corner, cook to dwell she, Matacon dwellata. Gorkano banner to dwell. A manamishi, nine the Thugan court. Ala coronavirus. With the lunch.
Hello, Dorothy Chan, Yamal, Shooter, Gual, Diage, Deet, Angel, Moich, Chol, Tang, Yamoy, Goy, Nyagwa, Nyawij, Wrath, and Yadith, and the church family. Tomorrow I'm gonna miss you since we don't have church because of the coronavirus. And the coronavirus is God's anger. And in the Bible it says, "Come, my people, enter you into your chambers, and shut your doors about you. Hide yourself as if were for a little moment until the indignation is past."
Gua ala me jiram kel mutikel kanatin chakab coronavirus wala me jiram chakab aloy du koch ko gua ka Bible chiko da laran no ka Jeremiah choga janda wi dok bad bakel chelara kananan baka nung goy kana pal pan ka baka nyod riang midit kana mal ajan goma chiko da lar kono no bakon kam pal pan la chikon de la dier ka kui re kama ka bakon moy ka riang midit kana mal ko chikon bel ga kam na kon gomi ko chiran je dobalo be chute no loy dan ko chiko kam pal pan de lancho.
If you have the coronavirus, don't be scared, because soon God will heal you from the disease. And in the Bible it says, "Behold, I will bring it health and healing, and I will heal them and will reveal unto them the abundance of peace and truth."
Wow. Ane yan gwa de Bible and Pixen. Mateka machine banjar, madong de yan ang ajbo, de yan an lar kon. Wal me te me jang machine masen, bia chu woj, along kwa the lead. Ane yan.